If you would like to learn how to trade algorithmically, then look no further than the master's course in Automated Algorithmic Trading. And this is a complete guide with all the tools to complete your own algorithms and automate them today. And this is whether you have any programming experience or not. Even if you don't have programming experience, you can learn how to trade algorithmically and do it in less than a day and actually be trading. And this course will also give you an inside look on how a legendary trader went from $5,000 to over $10 million. This course is taught by Zen Trading Strategies. And as for the course description, this master's course in automated algorithmic trading will hand traders the exact processes, methods, beliefs, tools, and automations to create the highest level of financial freedom and lifestyle freedom available. And again, no programming knowledge is needed. And this course was designed to pay for itself exponentially. And it's the same exact knowledge applied by many of the most successful traders of all time. In this course, and we'll get to the curriculum in a second, what we'll focus on is an enlightening, no fluff, and no BS look into what the best trading system actually is. And this course contains life-changing bonus knowledge of exactly how one legendary trader took 5,000 and turned it into over 10 million. We're going to go over what exact tools and strategies he used and his one-of-a-kind belief system that empowered the success. This course will allow you to also learn how to make your own custom profitable algorithms today that consistently beat any market, complete with the tools that are used to make them. And again, no programming knowledge is needed. We'll also focus on how to easily create your own profitable algorithms, and we have plug-and-play tools that you can do that with in a couple minutes, and you can see all your trades directly on your TradingView chart. You'll also learn how to backtest any trading idea you have, and this will allow you to know within minutes if it's going to be profitable and also to manage your risk. You'll learn how to automate every single detail of the process so you're free to live life on your terms. And again, you can literally know nothing about algorithmic trading at the end of the course. You can literally automate your trading today. And as a special bonus, we have created also an exclusive master's course in automated algorithmic trading Telegram group for all the traders in this program where we support and share each other's trading journey. So you basically have a built-in support group for your trading right out the gate. Now let's go over the course curriculum real quick. We'll go over into each details, but let me just scroll through so you can see it. So here's the first 3 parts. Here's the next 3 parts. And that will complete the course itself. And then we have a just as long bonus section about how one of the best traders of all time turned 5,000 to over 10 million. So there's the first 3 parts. Part 4 is quite long, but there's part 4. Here's part 5 through part 9, part 10 through part 12, and then part 13 through the end. So really quickly, let's go over these again. Phase 1 is why almost all traders lose money, and really only a handful of traders make money. So we'll go over into why the overwhelming majority of traders lose money, most losing traders' expectations and beliefs, and why only a handful of traders that ever make money, what they do differently. We're going to go over different ways of trading the market. You're probably used to a discretionary type of trading, which is a fill-based trading, or maybe using support and resistance, or chart fundamentals and basics, or maybe even chart technicals. We're going to look at that versus algorithmic automated trading, which is having a trading system that generates conditions for buy and sell signals. We're going to look at the advantages of automated algorithmic trading, and also there's a few disadvantages you may want to know of, although the advantages greatly outweigh any potential disadvantages. In part 3, we'll take a deeper look. We'll look at how exactly an automated trading system and algorithmic trading actually works, and so we'll go into a detailed explanation of what algorithmic trading is and how it works. You'll learn how to generate conditions that trigger buy or sell signals. And we'll give you all that is needed to start algorithmic trading today. That includes the hardware setups, how to do it on your computer, what brokers to use, what automation tools to use, how to access them, everything. Costs, we'll go over every single detail. And you can get started very cheaply, inexpensively, and get started quickly today. You also learn must-know considerations before designing a system and strategy. And you'll learn about the secret in trading that nobody wants to share. You'll learn what the best trading system actually is. And you'll learn a lot about yourself when designing a trading system. You'll learn what would make you feel really good. You'll learn about trading system success, and these are 9 things that the richest traders of all time all did. And moving on, you'll learn how to define and test your trading idea, which includes to determine what exactly your trading idea is and how to define it. You'll learn how to program your trading idea if you want to learn how to program, or if you don't want to program, you can use a no programming needed strategy tool. You'll learn how to backtest your trading idea to see if the trading idea has any validity, trading real live money. And you'll learn things about backtesting that you really won't learn anywhere else. You'll learn things that nobody will tell you about backtesting. You'll learn about backtesting versus future results. You'll learn how to determine what the best trading system actually is for you. You'll learn how to optimize your trading systems. You'll learn the dangers of over-optimization or curve fitting and how to avoid them. You'll learn how to beat the commission spread. You'll learn the correct way to use leverage and why you want to use market orders for algo trading. You'll learn how to backtest on TradingView. You'll learn how to see your strategy on a TradingView chart, how to change strategy parameters to test different ideas. You'll learn about how to look at your trades on the chart and the results of those. You'll learn about equity curve drawdowns and how the trading journey is. You'll learn about the TradingView strategy tester overview results. You'll learn how to read a performance summary, how to make sense of it. You'll learn how to review your list of trades for potential drawdowns and drawbacks. And you'll learn how to use Monte Carlo simulation to simulate the best and worst case scenarios. And then you'll learn how to automate the strategy once you have a strategy that you like. You'll learn how to use a study indicator of the strategy to set alerts. You'll learn how to use automation to execute your strategy on live exchanges. You'll learn which server to use for hosting your strategies and how to ensure your trading system never has any downtime. So that covers the master's course. And then we also have a bonus section, which is how one of the best traders of all time turned 5,000 over 10 million. And this is a question and answer format. And this section is probably just as valuable, maybe even more valuable than the course itself. Each section contains, as we mentioned, a question and answer format, and it's an invaluable look into one of the most brilliant trading minds that has ever traded and ever existed. So bonus part 1 is the beliefs, trading, and markets used by one of the best traders of all time. And this includes the introduction to his methodologies, the systems, his wisdom, his psychology, and his beliefs, all recorded. We'll learn about what the most important thing actually is in trading. What's the one most important thing? He answers questions like, have markets changed? And if so, what used to work, does it still work anymore? You'll learn about how to tweak and enhance systems and strategies, if that's necessary, how to do it. He'll answer, if he periodically enhances the systems, is there a point where he decides that the old rules are not effective or time for changes? When to actually change a trading system, and how to tinker trading strategies. You'll learn about the best indicator and what about specific parameters or settings. You'll learn everything about trends and trend following, about what the trend actually is and what makes trend or trend following work. Any other secrets about trend following. How to know when the trend has changed and that the profit is no longer taking care of itself. Or rather, the profit is still taking care of itself. You'll learn about how much time it will take to run a trend following system and if it's something you could trade intraday. You'll learn about what kind of returns that a trader can expect with a trend following strategy. You'll learn about short and long-term trends, about any preferences that he had. You'll learn about an actual example of a trend following trading strategy. You'll learn about avoiding whipsaws, which are periods of loss in trend trading, and that's when trends don't materialize and how to, if it's possible to avoid those. You'll learn about how to avoid possible inherent losing in trend following. You'll learn about how to manage drawdowns, which are prolonged losing periods. You'll learn about if there's ways to avoid drawdowns, what to do if a drawdown gets really big, how to write big winning trades, how to use stop losses properly, specifics on stops, how far away the stop should be. You'll learn about position sizing and why it's so important. A lot of people don't talk about it, and how to position size properly. You'll learn about how much to risk. You'll learn about heat concepts. You'll learn about what to do if you don't have the kind of money that you think you need for trading. And you'll learn about his insight about how he made a large amount from a small capital base. You'll learn about cutting losses and the importance of them, about why systems use stop losses to manage risk and cut losses, and why to use stops, because sometimes people feel that using stops may not be good because they feel that if they use a stop loss, sometimes the trade gets stopped out and then the trade goes in the direction they wanted it to. So he goes into that. You'll learn about risk and risk management, how to feel about risk, trade entries, how to trend traders enter trades. You'll learn about predicting the markets and market fundamentals. You'll learn about if traders that are really, really successful, if they try to predict markets and what their thoughts are on that and on market fundamentals. You'll learn about pyramiding, which is the process of adding to positions as they get in your favor and grow, and how to pyramid properly. You'll learn about thoughts and experience about trading systems, which includes wisdom on trading systems, what other big picture things you should know, the difference between fundamental trading and algorithmic trading, thoughts on buying trading systems that somebody else built, how to combine a lot of trading systems, preferences for being long or short in given markets, how to marry trend systems with counter trend systems to offset bad times, thoughts on day trading, thoughts about maintaining balance and taking breaks from trading and following the system, thoughts about slippage and backtesting and how to do that properly versus live trading. You'll learn about beliefs that also lead to the correct emotional control, and this will include the complete belief system of one of the most successful algorithmic traders of all time, and his beliefs on hard work, or if it's actually something else, and then any final suggestions before a trader starts trading their own system of trading. And then we have a part here, how to accelerate your growth with us. This is from Zen Trading Strategies. As a special for watching this video, you will have a 40% off coupon applied. So instead of $9.97 for the course, you can get it for $5.97 through the link. We do have a limited time coupon applied. And this trading course is from Zen Trading Strategies website. If you go to zentradingstrategies.com, if you go to the features tab, there's a master's course in automated algorithmic trading, and that will take you to this page here, and then you can just click on the buy now link there or the buy now link here, and that will take you to the checkout page, and then you can get the course right after. It's a work at your own pace type of course, so you can complete it on your own time. It's all video based. You'll get a login to it, and then once you're done, you'll have a certification, and then you will learn how to trade algorithmically from this course, how to create your own strategies, and what the best practices are. So this whole trading system in master's course is, again, designed to be exponentially valuable to you. The amount you invest in here, you will be able to make back exponentially by learning the information that's in here, using the trading systems and tools, and the information from a lot of the most successful traders of all time. That's it for this. Thanks for watching.